Design narratives. This tool creates a log of every change that occurred between two different Revit save points. To use this tool, we need to create a snapshot of a Revit model before and after the changes occurred. Then we can compare the two snapshots to create a design narrative. And finally, after that, we can export the design narrative to Microsoft Word. First, let's click the Design Narrative tool to create our first snapshot. This will be our before snapshot. Use the plus sign button and create our snapshot. Now press close. Next, we need to simulate a change in the design. I'm going to do 3 different types of changes. I'm going to delete some stuff. I'm going to add some stuff by copying. And I'm going to move some stuff. Next, let's return to our design narrative window and create our second snapshot. Now that we have 2 snapshots, we can create a design narrative. Select both of our snapshots and use the plus button at the bottom to create a design narrative. We can give our design narrative a name, and when we want to see what it looks like, select it and use the Export to Microsoft Word button. There's one setting to be careful of. Right here, you can either choose Connection or Rough In. Connection just displays the changes in specialty equipment. Rough In displays the changes in specialty equipment and all of the other Revit categories, such as electrical fixtures, plumbing fixtures, mechanical equipment, any of the categories that are used in KitchDesigner. So now let's press the Export button to open it up in Microsoft Word. And here's our change log. Here are all of our specialty equipment items with item numbers, and here are all the changes that occurred. The green are things that have been added, the red have been deleted, and the yellow are things that have been moved. You can control what shows up in the Move section in the settings of KitchDesigner. There's one more setting I want to show you. Back in the Design Narrative tool, you can use Export and Import buttons to export snapshots from older Revit models. So if you're worried that you don't have the before snapshot, open the old Revit model save, create a snapshot, then export that snapshot to a JSON file, and then open up your newest Revit model and you can import that snapshot back in and use that to create a design narrative.